Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's me again. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you've woken up well. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. It's actually morning here. I don't know from your country, wherever you are, what is the time. So today's video, actually we are going to be doing honey face mask. Okay, so that is what we are going to be doing in today's video. So all you need is your honey. Can you see that? This is honey. You might be wondering, what is it? This is honey, and something that you're going to use to at least get a little bit and then put it on your face. Yeah, so honey is good on your face it's good for moisturizing. It moisturizes your face, and most especially for those ones who have dry face, dry skin so hard every day. Even if you smear the oil, still it dries. So I prefer you use honey. Try to use honey at least 2 times a week or 3 times a week. This one has no bad effect. All in all, it has good effect. Okay, it is good. It moisturizes your face and rich in inflammatory, yeah, so, and microbiotic. So all we need to is just a little of honey. We're going to get a little bit. Is either you can use a what, um your makeup brush that you're not using. Make sure you scrub it on your face. You massage it on your face anyways. Massage it properly. Me, I'm actually using my fingers to massage it, like my hand to massage it. But if you have a makeup brush, I prefer you use that. Then later you rinse it off care very well. You be careful with your eyes. With this one, after you massage it on your face, you're going to leave it for 2 good hours. Yeah, 2 good hours. Let it dry properly. Okay, let it dry properly. Actually, for brown skin people, hey, actually after when you're done with rinsing it off, my friend, you look very yeah, okay, like very soft face and just looking nice. Okay, you massage it properly. Massage it properly to your skin. Properly. Take your time, don't hurry. Take your time. Massage it properly. So that is it, and then we're going to leave it to wait for 2 hours. When 2 hours is done, and I'll come back and show you the results, okay, when it is dry. Okay, kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. I'll come back later. So guys, this is it after 2 hours. Actually, you can see this upper one, it is still sticky, but it's now 2 hours since I put it. And now we are going to rinse it off and see how it is going to look. So let me rinse it off. So we are done rinsing. This is how it looks after rinsing. Yeah, you even don't need to smear the oil. It's just okay like that. So the face is really smooth, actually, very smooth. Wewe utoe mkono, wacha mtu afanye kenye anafanya.
Hello? Hi. Yes, Diram. Calling you. Yeah, Mama Piggy.
So that's all for today's video. You can try this and use it like 2 times a week, and even if possible you can use it 3 times a week. But you make sure you buy the honey that is actually natural. Don't buy these ones that are actually mixed with a lot of things. Natural honey is good, so you buy that natural honey. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. If you haven't yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. Bye.